Okay, today we're doing a little cleanup, burning some brush, getting rid of the old shed that fell down. There's the new chicken coop we're building, but we are installing a solar-powered clothes dryer, which is really easy to underestimate, but actually it is one of the very simple steps. Anybody with a little bit of property, a backyard, and some poles can take to start being a little more self-sufficient. And Mrs. Guts is going to tie us a knot here.
Okay, you go over it once on the straight one, then you go a second time through the loop. Okay, and then that is adjustable, so you can tighten it up like so, and then you make a lock loop. So this is adjustable throughout the year, so when it starts getting too much slack.
And that's it. There's your clothes dryer. Yay, Mrs. Guts. Here's a little shot of the, oh, there's Sasha. Here's a little shot of the backyard. There's the old chicken coop. That's why we're building a new one. Back there is the garden with the raised beds. That's a little chicken tractor, which was, yeah, it's a good idea, but it's just one more chore you got to do every single day because it's too small for the amount of chickens we had. This is Comfrey. Let's see. Right there's Comfrey. There's a little one. Couple missing there. They didn't quite make it. There's a whole row of Comfrey. That's another video. Some of the best fertilizer I've ever seen. You can add it to your compost pile. It will heat up the compost pile. Makes fantastic compost. Soak it, crush it in a barrel, soak that in water. Let it start to rot for a little bit. That water is the best liquid fertilizer I've ever seen. Or you can overfill a barrel, compress that really hard, squeeze the juice out of it, and that must be diluted with water. There's a water garden right back up there where we can get non-chlorinated water. Chlorine will kill the enzymes in the fertilizer and the bacteria in the soil. You don't want that at all. So we will use non-chlorinated water to make our liquid fertilizer out of. And she is just about done installing the solar paneled clothes dryer.
Oh, you should show my little thing.
Your little thing?
Yeah. You use a tree hook for hanging plants and bird feeders. And then you can put up a little junk thing to set your your basket on. You don't have to bend over. You don't have to worry about ticks getting in your...
And there's the mighty Sasha.
Sasha!
Nobody gets by Sasha.
Look pretty.
Say hello.
Smile.
Say hello.
She's a good girl. She's a good girl.
Say hi. Hi, babies. Hi, babies.
Oh, hi, Sasha. Her mama, baby. Not ready. Mommy.
See you next time. Say bye, Sasha. Say bye, babies. Oh, bye, babies.